Guys, this is Ahmad from Computer Labs, and this is the new playlist, and this is our new playlist about this is a new course on MS Office. So today we will this is only the video of introduction about the MS Office, and in this course we will learn from beginners to advanced. Firstly, we will start from beginners and then we will convert it to the advanced. So if you want to learn these things, so you firstly have to subscribe our channel, and then you have to like our all video as well, and you also have to share with your friends if you like if you like our channel and if you like our playlist. So firstly we will start our introduction video. This is about what is MS Office. So this is MS Office, and MS Office is a simple you can say that it's a simple office, and it's a very family client software. We can easily use MS Office, and it was first introduced by Bill Gates on 1st August 1988. So in MS Office we have three things. We will learn three things. There are lots of things in MS Office, but we will learn three things: MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint. Firstly, we will learn about MS Word. What is MS Word and what is it used for? It is used for word processing. Just like we have to do some kind of work about Word, and we have to make some papers, and we have to make some logo. Some logos are also made using MS Word, so we will easily use MS Word for these type of things. If you want some to build some paper, we can do lots of things using MS Word, and you will see in our next videos that what we are capable to do using MS Word. So MS Word is firstly released by Microsoft in October 25, 1983. So this is about MS Word, and then MS Excel. What is MS Excel? MS Excel is a spreadsheet in which we can do calculation and graphic tooling, and we can use pivot table as well. What is pivot table? We will learn in our next videos, and you know about what is calculation. We can easily do calculation in MS Excel, and MS Excel was first introduced for Windows, Macs, Android, and iOS. So we can easily make some calculation and make some pivot table and graphic tools using MS Excel. And our third point is MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is a presentations program. It was first introduced by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin at a software company named Forthout Insurance. So it was not released by Microsoft, but Microsoft acquired this PowerPoint for 14 millions 3 months after it. But it's mean that when they present their software MS PowerPoint, so Microsoft bought it after 3 months for 14 million. So this is our introduction video. Hope you will like it, and we will learn about MS Word. Firstly, we will learn about MS Word in our next video. So make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you.